Welcome guys to another video, and today I'm going to show you how to clear your cache. So the first thing you want to do is head into settings. Then you want to scroll down on your apps until you find Safari, just over here. Then now you want to scroll down, and then you should find this tab that says clear history and website data. So then you click on that. Then you decide the time frame. Obviously, if you want to clear the most, then you have to click all history, then close all tabs as well, and then you type clear history. And with that, all of your cache is going to be gone, and you're going to free up some space. So you type in clear history, and that's it. As you can see, the option is no longer available because I've completely deleted all of the data. And so now my phone has way more memory. If you like the video, like and subscribe, comment, and see you in the next. Bye.